Welcome to my channel Gosia Art Home Cooking. Today I like to show you a very delicious recipe for salmon on a bed of delicious sauce, dill and green parsley sauce. This is my family favorite and I hope you enjoy too. For today's recipe, salmon on a bed of delicious dill and green parsley sauce. I need salmon with 1 pound, few shrimps, butter, lemon, onion, garlic, sour cream, dill and green parsley, and salt and pepper to taste. And my favorite spice, Old Bay seasoning, excellent addition for my salmon and shrimp. And let's go started. First part, I will cut salmon fillet on 2 serving. Perfect. I pre-wash salmon and now salt, black pepper, and my favorite Old Bay seasoning. Perfect. Lemon fresh juice and fresh squeezed garlic. I will marinate salmon for about 10 minutes. Next, shrimps, salt, black pepper, Old Bay seasoning. For a little spice, I will add crushed red pepper, a little bit, not much, and fresh lemon. Perfect. And garlic, fresh squeezed garlic. I will marinate for 10 more minutes. Next step, I will make this sauce for salmon and shrimps. I will cut onion, about 2 tablespoons will be enough for this recipe. To make this dill and green parsley sauce, I need 1 tablespoon of butter. I use unsalted butter. Onion gives my sauce a very nice flavor. The perfect addition. Next step, I will chop dill. I will chop green parsley. Perfect, it's done. I will fry onion just for a little bit, not much. I don't need. Need just very delicate flavor of onion, and that's it. Perfect. Next, dill, green parsley, sour cream, salt and pepper, black pepper. Just combine all ingredients and the sauce will be done. Wow. Excellent. Smells so good. Onion and dill and green parsley. Great combination. We enjoy this recipe so much. Very simple to make. Great idea for dinner. And just cook for 1 minute and it's done. It will be excellent addition for my salmon and shrimps. Perfect. Next, salmon. About 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Medium high. Okay, the skillet is hot. The salmon, skin down. I sear salmon, skin down for 5 minutes. Now I will flip. Look at the skin. Oh, wow. And now I will add shrimp. And I will sear it for 5 more minutes. Now I will flip shrimps for 1 minute and it will be done. Salmon is done. A very quick recipe. The salmon on a bed of dill sauce is done. I serve this with shrimps and asparagus. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out. See you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego, bye bye!